Former presidential aspirant and convener of Yes We Fit revolutionary movement, where be Dr. Thomas Wilson Ikubweze, he don't tell President Bola Tinubu, say, see, make you chook eye for waiting concern governors. Make you know they do all this early momo politicking, what they do. All this politics waka where they happen now, it's too early. For 2027.
When be like 2 years and a half.
Do you understand? Now. He say it's too early. When Tory people come ask and say, what do you think about these defections and political ideology? Now your guy Ikubweze come talk say, see, the rate at which people they defect right now, where would they see and we will continue to they see, now to show say politicians they only care about their belly and they don't care about what in country people supposed to get, what it make them they cheer. In fact, what they want to do now to secure. They feel secure, made them secure that 2027. Now, what in they talk say now, what in make everybody just the shifts. They go one political party this period. Now, according to Ramin Kontok say, APC and PDP, if you check them, no difference between the two parties. Do you understand?
Right from time.
No difference at all. The people where the APC now, people will come up from PDP. If they when they call see ask and say, what do you think about one party? Do you understand? One party state for inside with Nigeria, he say, see, no wahala. Even though they want to do one party state thing for inside with Nigeria, no problem. But if they go fit concentrate on what's in concerned governance and Niger people, because it's very important.
Now, so guy Kubeze, they talk this one.
Yes, so now guy Kubeze, they talk all this one. So he talks and make them concentrate basically for governance. It's too early to they talk about 2027 election. And now he can even use Abia State Governor Alex Oti use do example. He say make you go Abia State. He go see what in Alex Oti they do for there. You go see all the things what they don't put on ground. The man don't make sure say what in concern right now to make Abia State they very very good. At least when you enter the state, you go no say enter a better state where development day. Do you understand? Even though they do all this small political waka, nobody waiting input as number one, nobody waiting input as priority.
I like the fact. I also like the example when you use a country like Rwanda and Burkina Faso.
Yeah,
they are even one party state self. Say but go look.
But go there, you go see say development they happen for there. So basically, waiting in the talk be say. Governance right now the cook of the matter 2027 it's too early
according to Ramo who dey in power. Not too early for Ramo. So I think this is why a one-term tenure suppose make sense, but that motion never work out for a while now for National Assembly.
Now one so of the if you read through that paper where the way take talk now one of the things when it be say it suggests a lot of things, so that
when you are coming in, you know say you only get that one tenure to you do your thing and
according to I say 6 years go just good do 6 years
because exactly they not go really focus on development.
They not go one work that first time.
Hey, I might try put some certain things on ground because I want come back next. But if you get that one tenure, you don't know say your time is finished, it is finished. So what you want to do, we go see and within that time frame, but we are not there yet. But then again, you no need to worry about 2027. Focus
concentrate on governance.
Waiting they happen right
exactly.
now.
What Nigerians need at the moment.
And is it too early for even the president to worry about 2027? I would like maybe people also, just put my.
So the question is very easy. What do you think about this one? You think say it's too early for President Bola Tinubu to concentrate about 2027 election, or make it be say what they do right now na governance? What do you think about this?
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.